Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to move the taskbar on Windows 10 in a quick and simple way. If you want to change how your taskbar looks or where items are aligned, this guide will help you do it easily. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is the main bar where you see the Start menu, Pinned apps, and System icons. Right-clicking, it opens a quick menu that gives you direct access to important taskbar options. Step 2. Click on Taskbar Settings from the menu. This will open the Windows Settings app directly to the taskbar section. This area lets you customize how the taskbar behaves and appears on your screen. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Taskbar Alignment option, which controls how icons are positioned on the taskbar. This setting is important if you want a cleaner layout or a different visual style. Step 4. Click the Taskbar Alignment drop-down menu. This allows you to choose how the taskbar icons are arranged. It's a simple option, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable your desktop feels. Step 5. Select left or center depending on your preference. Left alignment looks more classic, while center alignment gives a modern feel. As soon as you select an option, the change is applied instantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more easy Windows tips and fixes.